The inspiration and the permission to dream is huge. Can I get people turned in such a way that they can be turned on to their childhood dreams? I came to Carnegie Mellon and I created a course called Building Virtual Worlds. But it was just one course. And then we really took it up a notch. We made this thing called the Dream Fulfillment Factory. It is impossible to describe how much of a tiger by the tail we had.
Randy Pausch did so much to establish exactly what the ETC is and how it works. He was incredibly passionate about finding ways to take technology and entertainment and bring them together. And so many surprises came out of it.
You have to think about how strange it is for a faculty from computer science and a faculty from the School of Fine Arts, especially theater, to put their minds together to say, let's try to work together. They found a way, a new path, a new language coming together.
There was no program like that existed. We were the first. We wanted the students to recognize what each had to offer to create interactive forms that require both art and programming.
The ETC has had a strong reputation for almost its entire existence, but at the same time, we've seen very few institutions succeed at trying to copy what it does.
Being able to jump in, champion, and make your neighbor, your friend, your colleague a rock star, I think that's the secret sauce of the ETC.
We have over 1,000 alumni. They're out in the world making an impact, doing great work in every facet of the workforce. We see them as catalysts for change.
The ETC is the place where students can actually get an experience of what it's like to be working in the craft that they're interested in.
They really find themselves, their skill set. And some people come in and they want to be a 2D artist, but they really find themselves being drawn to being a producer. They try it out, they love it, and they're great. So I think that's a huge legacy where people come in and they find their true calling.
You know, in my career at Naughty Dog, I've worked pretty hard at times. I've never worked harder than how I worked at DTC. We all pushed each other to be better, and that really affected me in a transformative way. Wherever you go in the industry, any big studio, any big company, you're going to find someone from the ETC, and you have this immediate camaraderie, this connection, because you've all gone through the gauntlet. Like, the ETC really inspired me to push to go beyond what has been done before and find those boundaries and see how we could push past them. And that is my hope for people coming out of DTC going forward.
The students are so passionate about what they do. I have never seen a group of people who are so committed and so passionate about this discipline. They really want to change the world with interactive media.
It really opened doors that were prompted by curiosity and joy. And that drove a passion for playful learning and how I can bring that back into the communities in which we serve.
I've been here for long enough to actually have known every class of students. When I hear about the things they've done and where they've been and how they have been able to fulfill their dreams, that's what the whole thing was about.
Right now, we're seeing the necessity for innovation. And when I walk around and I see the spirit of innovation and people inventing things, I'm ambitiously hoping that our faculty, our students can be a part of the future of entertainment, whether they're with robotics or AI, so people can say, you know that thing that we're always playing with and doing? Yeah, that started in Pittsburgh, that started at CMU, that started at the ETC.
Part of what we're looking at is technologies that enable the future of entertainment. And what is that going to look like? Is that touch? Is that robots? Is that VR, AR? And just like cool, weird things. What can we do with modern day technology and future technology?
So much changes, it changes really fast, but I think what doesn't change is human beings and what we need, what art and entertainment provide to our souls. What we do will find new ways to touch people emotionally and give a little magic in their lives.
It's hard to find really good people. It's hard to find people that their craft is honed enough where they could do this kind of work. and can collaborate. And it's so important for this industry and similar industries to have places like the ETC, because otherwise we'll run out of talent.
The ETC in one word, surprise.
I would say trailblazing.
The ETC is imagination.
Magical. A word that best describes the ETC would be passion.
ETC in one word is all about teamwork.
I would say joyful.
It's inventive.
The ETC is life-changing.
Find your passion and follow it. Many of you have already done it. Many of you will later. Many of you may take till your 30s or 40s, but don't give up on finding it. I hope that all of you can find that kind of passion and that kind of love in your life. Thank you.